following video, we'll review setup for the Dana Dolly and the Dana Dolly track system. Once out of the case, you'll notice that the tracks have several sections. Some have adapters, some have nothing attached. As you remove pieces from the case, you'll note which ones fit together and which ones do not. Check the angles to make sure that the two pieces fit together. Face the screws, but don't touch the red ones. Insert screws, hand tighten, and then finish off with the T-wrench, being careful not to over tighten. Some pieces will have no adapter on it. Find the splicers, insert until the holes line up, finger tighten the screws, and then snug them up with the T-wrench. Careful not to over tighten. Your track should look like this in the end. Using the shackles from the Dana Dolly rental kit, line up each of the rails so that the flat end faces up, then tighten the shackles until they're snug. Do the same on the other side, give it a nice little check, make sure that they're not wobbling around and that they look straight. Have somebody assist you to drop the tracks into the slider stands. Snug them up, check for balance, make adjustments until it's level, then raise the center support, and lastly, attach the anti-tip brackets for safety. This will keep the dolly on the tracks. Once the brackets are attached, you can set up the tripod head using the 75, 100, or 150 millimeter ball adapters. Tighten using the washer until it's snug. Then finally, mount your camera and begin filming.